The education department is in such a hurry that they want to start schools in April that even in their official gazette, Government of Goa document which was published on the 13th of March has made an error. Let me show you. So when you look at the draft rules under the point 2 amendment of Rule 21, that is point number 3, it clearly mentions the academic year for class 1 to 5 and class. Here on the document they have written 9, but it's actually class 11. Shall ordinarily commence from June and shall end in April. So instead of mentioning class 11, they have mentioned class 9 on a gazetted document, which is wrong. Now again they have to rectify this. I have brought this to the notice of the Secretary to the Education as well as the Director of Education. It is mentioned in the official gazette that all your objections and suggestions to the said draft rule can be forwarded to the Director of Education, who is based out in Porvorim. This has to be done within 5 days. This gazette was published on the 13th of March. So you have 5 days to email them, or you can directly go personally and hand over the documents with your suggestions. Down below is the link of Director of Education that you all can email stating your grievances, why you do not want schools in April. Parents of Goa, whether you are a parent of a primary student, a secondary student or a higher secondary student, if you are unhappy with the schools reopening up in April, where they have not kept the stakeholders like the principals, the teachers and even the PTA heads in mind and taking their suggestions before implementing it, this is a big problem that we are facing, and that's why we as parents have gone to court on this issue. Parents understand the NEP doesn't mention anywhere that the schools have to start in April, nor it can be forced down on anyone. Every state has their summers in different months. So as per the states, everyone can take a decision together. So I would like all the parents, we have always enjoyed summer months as April and May, to please put in your grievances in big numbers. If you don't voice up right now, you'll be sorry later.